Welcome to the Titan Versa T-Series Helium Leak Detector Standard Oil Change video. Today we will demonstrate how to perform a standard oil change PM service on your Titan Versa T-Series Helium Leak Detector. LACO recommends changing the vacuum pump oil every 4,300 hours or every 3 to 6 months, depending on the overall usage of your leak detector. Preventive maintenance is key to keeping your leak detector performing at a high level. Let's get started. The following tools and parts are needed to perform this PM service. Located in the spares kit that was provided when you purchased your Titan Versa, you'll find the following: oil drain tube, a multi-bit driver with an assortment of bits including both a 5mm and a 6mm bit. Additionally, you'll need a container or a bucket to catch the used vacuum oil and flushing fluid in. The required parts you'll need include pre-measured premium full synthetic easy grade oil. You should have received these parts from LACO if you have a current PM service agreement in place. Otherwise, you can purchase these items directly from LACO. Let's get started with an oil change process. You'll need to warm up the vacuum pump oil. LACO recommends you turn on your Titan Versa and let it run for at least 15 minutes prior to changing the oil. This process will ensure the vacuum oil is warm and will drain quicker and more completely from the pump. After the 15-minute warm-up period, turn off your Titan Versa and disconnect the power supply. To prevent damaging the turbo pump, do not move the leak detector for at least 5 minutes. Now let's remove the upper rear cover. First, remove 4 M8 screws using the 6mm hex wrench. After removing the 4 screws, remove the rear cover by lifting it slowly away from the leak detector. Next, we'll drain the vacuum pump oil. To allow for proper draining of oil from the vacuum pump, remove the plug located at the top of the quick fill tube by depressing the retaining ring and pulling upward to remove the plug. Disconnect the quick fill tube from the plastic retaining clip. Next, locate on the rear of the leak detector the oil drain port in the lower left-hand corner and position a container below it to collect the used oil. Insert the oil drain tube into the drain port. You'll hear a clicking sound when it is securely attached, and oil will automatically drain into the container. After about 2 to 5 minutes, oil should be completely drained from the vacuum pump. Depress the metal retaining clip on the drain port and remove the oil drain tube. Wipe up any excess oil or spills. Next, let's refill the vacuum pump. Attach the oil refill cap assembly to the pre-measured bottle of easy grade premium vacuum pump oil and connect it to the quick fill tube fitting to refill the pump. Rotate the bottle to a vertical position, allowing for the oil to drain into the vacuum pump. After all of the oil has drained into the pump, remove oil fill assembly and wipe up any oil spills or drips. Visually check the oil level via the viewport located at the end of the vacuum pump. Oil level should be below the maximum level mark. Now let's reinstall the covers. Properly align the upper cover on the leak detector chassis, making sure it is correctly aligned with the chassis as well and the M8 screw holes. Secure it in place using the 4 M8 screws. Reconnect the leak detector power supply. Now let's reset the maintenance screen reminders. First, press the menu button in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Next, select the maintenance option, followed by selecting maintenance tasks. On the maintenance tasks screen, locate the Uno 6 change pump oil option and press the reset button to properly reset the maintenance timer and service reminder for the oil change. Select OK to confirm. Press the back button to return to the main menu screen. Your standard oil change PM service process is now complete.